See, today, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee is organizing 81st birth anniversary of late beloved Prime Minister Rajiv Ji. We are flooring tributes to the portrait of Rajiv Ji. At the same time, we are remembering during his tenure as a Prime Minister of this country, that maybe 4 or 5 years, what he has committed and what he has been taken decision, including amendment of Indian Constitution. Say, for example, we can mention 2-3 important points. That is, Bapuji, father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, what he say, India cannot be say India is developed unless the rural area, including hill and the rural area. You know, India is more than 70% of the Indian population are habited in the rural area, including in the hill area. Unless this rural area and hill area is equally developed, India cannot say India is a developed. Therefore, Rajiv Ji has proposed to amend Indian Constitution, empowering not only rural and also women empowerment. That is 30% of the women's empowerment that already been started in the autonomous district council as well as in the panchayat, also in the urban local body. That is already started. And if he is alive, another term of 5 years as a Prime Minister of this country, we expect that this amendment could be implemented, including not only State Assembly and also the Parliament also, like MLAs, empowering the MLAs and MPs of the Parliament. So this is most unfortunate, his untimely expiry of Shri Rajiv Gandhi Ji. That's why we are remembering his 81st birth anniversary of Shri Rajiv Ji. And on top of that, he mentioned Indian democracy has become mockery. Because after election from one party, then after got elected, then there are many opportunities who defect from the original party where he got elected. That is defection. Therefore, he proposed in the Parliament this anti-defection be under 10th schedule. So once it is passed by Parliament, those MLAs, those MP who defected from their original party should be disqualified. But now, this is for me, my personal view, the time has come to further amend this 10th schedule anti-defection law. Because once, if it is defected, automatically he or she should be disqualified. Otherwise, those ruling speakers trying to take more time, all these things. Only now we are remembering Rajiv Ji during his tenure as a Prime Minister of this country, what he has taken, proposed in the Parliament and amended this type of important bills in the Parliament. On top of that, he is a visionary leader. He said that once he mentioned, now the time has come, we should have to give more emphasis to the science and technology. Otherwise, the world advanced country, if we want to compete this world advanced country, we should have to encourage emphasis to the science and technology. What Rajiv Ji said during his tenure, now it has become a reality. That's why we remember it. So we should have to be, all Congress Karmi, we should have to be think how to implement what Rajiv Ji's dream. Therefore, we are offering flower to his portrait. Thank you.